All right, so I guess I'm going to start my garden tour with this cymbidium that has a flower, and I'm only showing you this beautiful smelling flower. It smells beautiful because I have a much larger plant over here in the corner. The same thing. I've got two cymbidiums, two of my favorite ones. One is that yellow one. It is a species, I really can't tell you the name. Hold on. This is a different one. So I have two cymbidiums, pendant cymbidiums, which means that when they flower, they lop over the sides of the pot and hang down. Yeah, it's pendant. Here's just some regular basic mint. Pay no attention to the gun. Now moving on, we have some Cuban oregano, which when it breaks off and falls is like a succulent. Breaks off and falls, it becomes, it grows. So here we have something that's broken off and it's doing much better than the older plant. And then next to that, we have an oregano, which seems to be some kind of European oregano, which I did not plant. Did not plant this thing. It just grew on its own. And so I let it grow. And the brick is here to prevent too much evaporation of water, to keep it moist. And the plant seems to like it. Right below that we have epazote, which is a common weed / herb / weed from the Mexican area, and it's great in beans. And it looks like it's really easy to grow, but it seems to be becoming floricious. And then it'll reseed itself, although there are lots of little babies down there. So I could just cut those tops off and have some more. Right next to this is my chervil. Chervil. And it is a really difficult plant to buy fresh. You almost cannot find it. Maybe in Europe it's a different thing, but it is one of the tender herbs to be used on fish. And the really only way I've found to get it is to grow it. That's the only way. So that's doing very nice. I mean, it is just bushy. It's like I could sell this shit. All right. Next is my plant of thyme. My thyme plant. I think this is English lemon thyme. I'm not sure, but it's obviously very happy. Just got through flowering. Next to that, we have our basil, and I believe that this is. Hold on, let me see. I think this is the Thai. Well, it's weird because I think this is the Thai basil, but then I have just planted this here. This is a brand new Asian Thai basil. So maybe this is not what I'm thinking is. That's just for fun. This is for fun. Here is more basil. Basil. Lots of flowers. The birds come here and feast on the aging flowers. Like See how this pod here has old flowers and then there's seeds in there. So the birds will come and eat the seeds. Here we have just some aloe, like a nice salmon colored aloe plant. And some more epazote, because it is so easy to grow. And that's half of my garden.